What up, everybody? Welcome back. It is another day 72 of 365 days. I like go. Anyway, let's double check in. 72. I knew it. I'm fucking smart. Anyway, it's day 72, and I was getting out of my car, and I hear this crow. Hold up, I got a door knock. Pausing. I got mail. Okay. So, I was getting out of my car, when I was getting home, and, this, crow was like, and I was like, I see you. And then I whipped the camera around and went, and I took photos of it. And these are the photos. And this is the photo that we're going to work on. Radio. And it's snowing outside. Which you will have seen in some of the driving sequence in the beginning. So you know this. Anyway, back to the edit. So, we'll bring this out, and we will take contrast up many more times. Highlights all the way up. Shadows up a bit. Exposure down quite a bit. Out there. Anyway, we'll go a little yellow with it. We'll go a little blue with it. You know? Change it up a little bit. Some vibrant channel, some sad channel. Blues up. Clarity, bunch of texture, detail, sharpen, radius, bounces a bit. Purples and pinks kind of up and out of there. Alright. Just kind of playing with stuff until we get what we like. Me, I usually go for more like visually pleasing for like what you're gonna see than pixel peeping, but it really depends on how you want to cut that down. You know, I don't have the sharpest lenses in the world, so it's really more feel. So that's that's where we were. This is where we are. Alright. Now we shall do the masking stuff. Try for you. Okay. Okay then. Black crow. Minus object. Fucking plus it, I want to minus it. Come on now. Don't be dumb. It's being dumb. I don't know why I wants to be dumb like that. Okay. Alright, well, that'll do. Contrast down a bit. Highlights up a bit. Shadows up a bit. Black again. Just a bit. Alright. Now we are gonna duplicate invert. Too crazy. A little bit of texture. After that saturation a bit. Kind of giving us a blue vignette with getting that white to pop the center out. Now, some more detailed stuff. Switch over and zoom on in. Back to our mask. Gradient for the first one. bit of green. Okay, now I'm gonna take and get a brush. Just little stuff, nothing crazy. Now we're gonna go back here, and we are going to cut those all the way out to our blue edge. Same here. More of that. Spectrum. All right. Alright, that is our photo. I hope y'all enjoy. See you on day 73. We're knocking them down. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. Thank you for everybody that's liking and subscribing. And we'll see you on the next. Peace.